Hi there, welcome to BSF Recovery Team. Today we're going to address some of the things on the wrecker that need attention because season is coming where we're going to need this. When we were out last time with it, it wasn't running too good, but now it seems to be running fine. So we'll see how that works. The last time we were out with it, we broke the boom rope. So we spliced it, put a new loop in the end of it, which is easy to do, but that tells me that it's time to replace our rope. So let's do that. If you look here, we kind of destroyed that, and we ended up cutting the hook off of it to make it easy. Re-looped it onto another section of rope, but if you look at this rope, it's getting pretty beat up. So I think we will replace it with a new one that we have, and maybe keep the old one for an extension rope. So Yankum sent us a new rope for it. 7/16 by 150, maximum 22,000 pounds, or excuse me, minimum breaking strength 22,000 pounds. And there's the serial number there, US made, it's a good rope. So we'll be putting that on our boom. But of course we want to spool it up under tension. It's a nice day outside, good day to do that. But before we do that, we need to get the hook off and the old rope off. To get the hook off, we got to drive a roll pin out here, use our roll pin punch. It has a little dimple on the end that fits into the roll pin, and pound that out. You want to hold this hook flat up on there?
You hit my hand, I'm gonna be mad.
I won't hit your hand. A little bit further. There you go. Now, which way does that come out? Ah, there we go. Okay. Now, we can start pulling the cable off. Well, they flatten out when they're on the drum, but then they turn back to normal when they're out, when they're not flat on the drum.
Hold on, we're wedged. Pull. There we go.
Let go. Oh, nope.
I told you.
She got wedged in there pretty good.
She's like a flat pancake.
Honestly, I've had this rope on there for about 3.5 years, and it should have been replaced long before this. I've had the rope from Yankum to replace it for about a year, and just never got around to it. But as you can see, when you can't hardly see the braid of the rope anymore, that's overdue to replace it. Oh, that's an Allen screw. There we go. Might as well take this off. cut the rope. Okay, let's see if we can get it fished through. Looks good. Okay. Now we'll get it put on the hook here. Gotta get the, which side is the, oh, that's right, the dowel pin just goes, there we go. There we go. Okay, now we can go outside and spool that on nice and even under tension. Now to string out the rope, and then we got to find something to winch up to it. How about the side-by-side? Got 150 feet of rope here. That's a long ways. Under tension the first time, it lays on there nice almost every time. Are you running the truck, Jimmy? 150 feet, that's a lot of winch rope. And there you have it, a brand new 22,000 pound Yankum rope on our boom. Well, like I said, we're only half done. We got to swap out our front winch rope too. That's right. We kind of tied it on there one time. We didn't really put a knot in it. We just kind of overlapped it and let it pinch itself. And let it pinch itself to the drum. There we go. That's because we pulled it out of the end. Now we'll see if we can get that end off of there. Oh yeah. Now we got to find an end for our new rope. Well, I can't find any more of these right now. I know I have a bunch at work. Well, we got our end crimped on there. We reused the old one. It's not pretty, but it'll work. Don't cut the rope. There we go. This should be an underwind. So, bring that around from the bottom. Now, where's our hole? There it is. Okay. All right, now we can go spool that on. We also use Yankum ropes on the front. This is a 100-foot, 7/16 diameter, not 3/8 like most of them use. That's because we got the big M12,000 on here. So we use the 7/16, 22,000 pound minimum breaking strength. Okay, now we'll spool in our new Yankum rope on our front winch under tension. There we go, in our Yankum fair lead and tucked away so the rope doesn't get damaged. So go check out all of Yankum's products on their website. And don't forget, code BSF gets 10% off. Well, thanks for watching, BSF Recovery Team. Keep wheeling, stay safe out there, and maybe we'll see you in the woods. Keep this for an extension rope.